Welcome, teachers. Today, we're diving into the top 3 Gemini Gems that can revolutionize your classroom and save you precious time. Gemini Gems are practical AI prompts designed to help high school teachers with smarter planning, teaching, and feedback. Think of Gemini Gems as your co-teacher. They're AI-powered tools that write, summarize, brainstorm, and explain ideas, acting as an extra set of hands in your classroom. These gems help you plan smarter, save time, differentiate easily, collaborate better, and model digital literacy for your students. Our first powerful gem is the Lesson Question Builder, a fantastic tool for crafting, engaging, and effective questions. Its purpose is to generate Bloom's taxonomy-based comprehension and discussion questions for your lesson planning, ensuring a deeper level of understanding. Simply input a text title or summary, and the gem will provide questions tailored for recall, analysis, and synthesis. This gem saves you time by quickly generating thoughtful, standards-aligned questions, allowing you to focus on student engagement. Next up is the Problem Explanation Coach, your go-to for breaking down complex problems. Its core purpose is to help teachers plan clear, step-by-step reasoning for explaining math or science problems, addressing those tricky concepts. Provide a problem, and the gem delivers a detailed reasoning process, complete with common student misconceptions to help you prepare. This gem prepares you to model problem-solving effectively and clearly, ensuring students grasp challenging concepts with ease. Finally, we have the Feedback Refiner, an invaluable tool for providing constructive and consistent student feedback. Its purpose is to draft balanced and specific feedback on student work, ensuring every student receives clear guidance for improvement. Input anonymized student work excerpts, and the gem provides glow and grow feedback or rubric-aligned phrasing, making feedback fair and comprehensive. This gem provides consistent, growth-focused feedback, significantly reducing your grading time while maintaining high quality. These 3 Gemini Gems are designed to streamline your work, enhance your teaching, and give you more time to connect with your students. We've covered the Lesson Question Builder, Problem Explanation Coach, and Feedback Refiner, each a powerful ally in your teaching toolkit. Amplify your expertise and make teaching even more impactful. Try Gemini Gems today and transform your classroom experience.